Are you interested in a house with a pool? This one in West Norman, Oklahoma may just be the right fit for you. This house is located on a quiet street and it's a tucked away 2-story that really makes you feel like you're entering your own personal retreat. The living room has big, beautiful windows that look out onto the backyard, and yes, those are real hardwood floors. The home does feature a formal dining room along with a breakfast nook, and the sliding glass doors in the breakfast nook leads you to the backyard, but we're going to take a look at that in a moment. The kitchen, while not open to the living space, is very spacious and has beautiful granite tile countertops. And the pantry is here underneath the stairs, and it has an amazing amount of storage since it is a walk-in. The owner's suite is on the ground floor here, and it also has gorgeous hardwood floors. This window in the owner's suite looks out onto the front yard. There are 2 closets in this space as well. The owner's bathroom includes a separated tub and shower, and the shower and toilet actually share a secluded area. Just outside the owner's suite is the half bath, so your guests don't need to climb the stairs. Upstairs is the full bath and 2 bedrooms. The upstairs bedrooms also feature hard surface floors. This bathroom may be my most favorite thing in all of the house. It's spacious and has amazing wallpaper. The second bedroom upstairs has 2 closets. Let's go outside now. The pool has been kept up well and has a new liner and pump. The pool area includes a lot of patio space and then beautiful landscaping to one of the sheds here. The second shed is brand new. For more info, please check out the description for the link, and please give me a call for any showings or any questions.